were just talking beyond weather. They had some good recipes in there, or some life hacks, how to maintain your garden.
I know there was always a big focus, obviously, on the prediction for the season ahead,
Right.
but there was so much more in there. And Peter has been such a staple in our community for decades.
Absolutely.
now,
Yes.
Absolutely.
And a lot of good astronomy stuff, all that type of stuff. All
So we
good
appreciate
info.
all you did all these years.
Yes,
That good
yes.
conversation.
Won't be seeing much of the skies tonight with the clouds.
No, we've got clouds moving in now, and actually a little snow shower activity tonight, which is really ahead of what comes tomorrow. But I think in some towns tonight, especially mid-coast and down east, there may be enough to briefly shovel away before tomorrow morning. So it's not going to be widespread, but some of those snow showers may get a little enhanced from Penobscot Bay into down east Maine. The rest of us is just a few coatings that will be out there tonight. The next system that comes in tomorrow will be substantially warmer, so much so along much of the coastline. This is primarily rain tomorrow afternoon, but inland cold air will hold on, and there will be slippery travel this time tomorrow afternoon the farther inland you are. Beyond that, cold weather continues over the next week and a half or so, it looks like, at least. 14 right now in Bangor, 21 from Brunswick to Portland. We're at 21 degrees right now in Freiburg. There comes the cloud cover that's advancing in from the west. And you see this strip of snow shower activity here. That's what slides through tonight. And then a more significant area of both snow and rain that arrives during the day tomorrow. So hour by hour through the night, 6 o'clock, we're still dry. 9 o'clock for that matter, we're still dry too. Toward about 11 or midnight tonight, some snow showers blossom, and notice where a lot of them are, mid-coast into down east. There could be a few to the west and south, but there have been pretty good indications and consistent indications. You'll get a little burst of snow here during the late night and very early morning hours of tomorrow. So from Rockland through the down east coast, a couple of inches are possible tonight, while the rest of us, it's really just some spotty coatings that will be out there. 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, other than a few flakes down east, the rest of us are dry, and the majority of the morning hours are dry tomorrow. By noontime or so, we have snow developing across the interior, Oxford Hills, up around Route 2. And then when this fills in on the coastline, temperatures should be near or maybe even above freezing. So I think at the coastline tomorrow afternoon, we're not too concerned about any travel issues. Farther inland, though, the late afternoon, early evening commute is going to be more challenging here through central Maine, certainly up through the Oxford Hills and the mountains. You can see here by 6 o'clock, still cold with snow around Bridgeton, Freiburg, the Oxford Hills, but that rain snow line probably gets up to Waterville and Bangor by that point in time. Then through the evening, this continues to pull on through, and by about midnight, it is out of here. So as far as what we get tomorrow afternoon, could be a coating up to an inch north of Portland through Lewiston, Augusta, Waterville, and Bangor. Once you get northwest of there, so from Bridgeton through the Oxford Hills, Route 2, the mountains, a couple of inches likely tomorrow afternoon, with the jackpot likely being up over northern Maine. Here's the marine forecast for tomorrow. Winds increasing southwest to south, 15 to 25 knots, and seas 5 to 8 feet. Snow and rain moving through tomorrow afternoon, but again, tonight there will be some snow showers that can coat things up in spots. Thursday, temperatures drop. It's windy. There could be a flurry or snow shower. Then it's cold and blustery on Friday. Right now, it looks like a storm's trying to come together for Sunday, but not everything's there, so we'll keep a chance for snow in the forecast. I don't see it being a big deal right now, but we'll keep an eye on that. And then another shot of cold comes in for early next week. That's the story.
We are all in on this December.
We are.
Okay,
Yeah.
thanks, Ryan.
Thanks.
By the way, I want to let you know, if you're looking for a place to warm up that is close to where you live, you can text the word warm to 828-6622. We'll send you a link with a list of shelters open statewide.